8:15 a.m. We in the process of making a little
Breakfast of
roll off the bed
champions.
actually, and this is what he likes to eat.
Check this out, guys. If you never buy this, dark chocolate dreams is the healthiest of
Put it back. Peanut butter.
and cool. 6 grams of protein, dark chocolate tea dreams. This is good because it doesn't have much sugar in it. I did research on it. Thank me later. So some peanut butter on one side, that on one side.
Yeah, and
Oh,
what is this?
it's tea without milk and so forth. But I like my tea
More on the light side.
white.
So, and I didn't make lunch because we had a lazy day yesterday. So, just going to do a quick lunch. Fish and vegetable. So there's some carrot slices that husband caught some nice carrot, and
I caught that fish, guys.
I was actually supposed to make it yesterday, but I don't know, it's just one of those lazy days.
Oh, we had the meeting yesterday.
Didn't feel
Check
like
our
doing
Instagram.
anything.
Check our Instagram.
Actually, it's not up on Instagram.
Wait, let me see
So,
this video.
yeah, so I have it in the fridge, and I'm just gonna do a fast season of it and put it in some foil with veggies and pop that in the oven. I have the carrot slices, pulled out some foil, piece of sweet pepper, onion, lime, carrot, fresh thyme and basil, some margarine, garlic, and I'm going to use some all-purpose seasoning and some cayenne pepper. Pretty simple. Just going to put the fish with all these ingredients on the foil, wrap it up all nicely, and then put it in the oven that I have preheating at 410 degrees. So just gonna throw in some cayenne pepper. You can put as much as you want, and some of the all-purpose. This has salt already in it, so I'm not gonna add any salt. And rub that in. Set it aside, and I'm just gonna prepare these. Alright, so have some foil. Just spray it there. Put one slice, and then I'm just gonna put some of these veggies on it. I'm gonna grate the garlic. Husband been on a like low carbs kind of healthy sort of eating, so just going to put in some green peas for him. If you want to add some potatoes or something, you could, but just remember the cook time for that will be a little different. And this is just one slice of fish, so you can cook that separately. I'm just going to put a piece of butter. So a piece of parsley, I'm just going to put it on, and some thyme. I'm just going to squeeze some lime on it. So when you're folding it, be sure to fold it up like this, so that any sauce, any juices that comes from it will not fall out. So just have this, and I'm just going to put this into the oven. I'm going to put it into a tray like this, and I'm just going to do the other one and just pop it into the oven. So they're ready to go into the oven. 410. I'm going to put it for about 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. Just took them out of the oven. Look at that. Pretty good looking. Smells really good. Just want to taste it. Fish is nicely cooked through. Delicious. So this is simple, easy. You don't feel like standing on your feet or being by the stove. Simple dish for you to put together. Like I said, husband is not so much on the carbs and all of that these days, so this is a nice no carb sort of meal. But you can have some rice with it, you can have some potatoes, anything. You can add more vegetables if you like. You can add soy sauce, some paprika, anything you want to give some extra color and all of that. You can just have some fun with it. This is my lazy morning sort of lunch prep for husband. It's pretty delicious. Into the container they go. A little oats, some grapes, all ready to go. Yes, I'm one of those who thinks husband should not go to work without any lunch, and if I don't make it the night before or the day before, I usually get up in the morning and prepare. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and give this fish in a foil a try and let me know what you think.